Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about packing efficiency. What is the packing efficiency? There is some free space between. Listen carefully. There is some free space between the space of a single layer and the successive layers. The percentage of total volume occupied by the constituent space gives the packing efficiency of an arrangement. Listen, this is a some free space between the space of a single layer and the successive layers. The percentage of total volume occupied by these constituent space gives the packing efficiency of an arrangement. It's a very important 5-mark questions. Three types of cubics. Cubic is formed. One simple cubic, another one body centered cubic, another one face centered cubic cell, cubic unit cells. Okay, three types of cubic unit cells. Simple cubic cells are primary cubics, primitive cubic cell, cubic unit cell are body centered cubic. Another last one face centered cubic unit cell. First one, packing efficiency. SC means simple cubic, BCC means body centered cubic, FCC means face centered cubic. This is structures. Simple cubic structure, BCC structure and FCC structure. Listen carefully. SC, simple cubic. Simple cubic corners 8 atoms in corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 atoms in the corners. And body center cubic in 8 corners and 1 body center. And face center 8 corners and 6 body center. 6 face center. Up 1, down 1, right 1, left 1 and opposite 1, front side 1. Totally 6 face center. Okay, first step, to find number of atoms. Already teaching this unit topic. Again one more time. To find number of atoms, a simple cubic, NC by 8. Listen, NC means number of corners atoms. Number of corners of the atoms. 8 by 8. How many corners atoms? How many atoms in the corners? 8. 8 divided by 8 equal to 1. Therefore 1 atoms. BCC, body center cubic. NC means number of corners, NP means number of body center. Okay, why 1? ஏதோ ஒன்று போட்டிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா the cubic body center only one body center, therefore 1. The 8 by 8 and 1 by 1, therefore 2 atoms. BCC on number of atoms in the BCC 2 atoms. And last one FCC, number of corners divided by 8 divided by 8. Number of NF divided by 2. Number of face center divided by 2. Why 2 இதுக்கு மட்டும் 2 வருது? Because the face center attached to another unit cell, therefore to unit cell common one face, therefore one face center is attached to another one unit cell, therefore divided by 2. Therefore 8 by 8 plus 6 by 2 equal to 3. Therefore 1 plus 3 equal to 4 atoms. Okay, next one, simple cubic. First point, to find radius. This is simple cubic structure. This is another one structure. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, diameter value, AB diameter value A, BC diameter value A, CD diameter value A, but radius radius value R on AB 2 R radius. AB to R plus R. One atom is R, another atom is R. Therefore R plus R 2R. So edge length A. How many edge length? A. Radius r plus r 2r. Therefore r equal to a by 2r. This is to find radius in a simple cubic. Next one, volume of sphere. Next point, volume of sphere. Already find the radius r equal to a by 2. Next step, volume of sphere. Formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Apply to radius value. 4 by 3 pi a by 2 whole cube. 4 by 3 pi a cube a cube divided by 2 into 2 into 2. Therefore a cube by pi divided by 3. 4 into 4, 4, 2, 2. Therefore cancel. Pi a cube by 3. Next one, volume of sphere. Pi a cube by 6. Pi 4 by 4 into pi 3 cube, 3 into 2 6. Therefore a cube by 6. So total volume occupied by atoms and number of atoms. Listen, this is a small mistake because not 3 not 3 into 2 6. Therefore this one 6. Listen, r into a by 2, volume of sphere values formula 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by applied to our radius value 4 by 3 pi a by 2 whole cube. 4 by 3 pi a cube 2 into 2 into 2. Therefore 4 divided by 4. Therefore 3 into 6. A cube by pi divided by 6. Volume of sphere value. Next one, total volume occupied by atoms. Next step, total volume occupied by atoms. Number of atoms into volume of sphere. How simple cubic number of atoms in the simple cubic? Only 1. 8 divided by 8 equal to 1. Therefore 1 into a3 by pi 6. Total volume of formula answer pi a cube by 6. Next one, very important, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. Volume occupied by space in a unit cell or volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of unit cell into 100. So by a cube by 6. Okay, volume occupied by atoms by a cube by 6. What is the A3? Volume of unit cell. Because a 1/2 equal to a. Therefore a cube into 100 divided by 52.38%. Packing efficiency 52.38%. Empty space 100 minus 52.38 into 47.62%. Next one, body center and cubic unit cell. First one, 2 units to find radius. Listen, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, AB diameter value A, BC edge length value A, CG edge length value A. Okay, therefore AG equal to AG 1 atom's value R, center atom 2 point R into R, and 1 atom's radius value R. Therefore 4R, AG value equal to 4R, AG equal to 4R. First, in ABC diameter, in ABC triangle. Okay, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC equal to root of AB square plus BC square. Okay, how many apply to edge length value? A square plus root of A square plus A square equal to root 2 A square. Root 2 A square. Therefore AC equal to root 2 A. A square root 2 A square convert to small a. Next, another one, in root 2 equal to A, AC equal to root 2A, another for the ACG, ACG, AC value root 2A, AG value 4R, and CG value A. AG squared equal to formula, apply the formula, apply to values 2 for root 3A. The root 3A equal to AG value 4R. Apply to AG value. 4R equal to root 3A, R equal to root 3 by A divided by 4 radius value. Next, volume of sphere. Formula 4 by 3 pi R cube. R value root 3 by 4 A. Apply to radius value to find the volume of sphere. Root 3 pi A cube by 16. Total volume occupied atoms. Number of atoms to volume of sphere. How many number of atoms in the BCC, NC by A and NB plus NB divided by 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1, 2. Apply the number of atoms value to form together total volume occupied by the atoms. Root 3 pi A cube divided by 8. Next important, packing efficiency. Volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of ignition into 100. Root 3 pi A cube divided by 8 divided by A cube into 100. Root 3 by 8 divided by 8 into 100. Value update value. Packing efficiency 68%. What is this? 1.72. Root 3 value 1.732 into pi value 3.14. Say empty space. 100 minus 68 divided to 32% of empty space in BCC. And last one, packing efficiency FCC. FCC. Listen. I take one face part, this one. I take one face part, this one. FCC I take A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. A diameter A, length value A. Okay. Radius value. One atom, central one atom, another one atom. Apply to R. Therefore, AC equal to 4R. I take in trigonal ABC. AC square equal to AB square plus B square. Apply to values. A square plus A square root 2 A square. Therefore, AC equal to root 2A. Root 2A compared to root find the root 2A AC value. Already கண்டுபிடிச்ச AC equal to 4R. 4R equal to root 2 by A. Therefore, R equal to root 2 by A divided by 4. Apply to volume of sphere or radius value. Radius value applied to volume of sphere. Volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi R value root 2 by A by 4 A cube. 4 divided by 4 and 2 divided by 4 into. Therefore, formula values pi root 2 A cube divided by 2 into 4 8 into 3 24. Volume of sphere. Total number of atoms value NC by 8 and MNF by 8, NF by 2. Therefore, 1 plus 3 equal to 4 number of atoms. Okay, listen. Total volumes occupied by the atoms. 4 into root 2 pi A cube in 24. 24 divided by 4. Root 2 pi A cube by 6. FCC packing efficiency value. Volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of unicell into 100. Root 2 pi A cube by 6 divided by volume of unicell value A cube into 100. Apply to values root 2 pi into 100 divided by 6. Root 2 value 1.1414 into pi value 3.14 100 into 6. Total packing efficiency 74%. Empty space 100 minus 74 into 26%. Students, this is very important topic in 5 mark questions. Therefore, please 2 or times watch this video. Okay, so today slip test and home test packing efficiency of SC and BC and FCC. Very important home test. All the best, my dear student. God bless you.